Hi! Sorry. So, hi ladies! Kumusta po kayo? And on to this video po, ito na po siya talaga. I cannot wait. Charot! Kasi, I've been... Aray. I just scratched myself. So, enough for that. Alright. So, ang box na ito is, I've been waiting for like 1 week. I enrolled myself in online QCAcademy. It's an online course. It's a makeup artistry. So, lahat po na nandito sa box na to, dito po, sobrang mabigat siya. I think it's more than 3 kilo. So, we're gonna open it. I'm going to open it and show you all. So, i-unbox ko siya today. So, ito po siya. As you can see. Oh my God! See what it's inside? So, inside is, pasensya na po sa Macy, ha? Kasi I was just unboxing earlier din rin po. So, mas ang laman. Yay! So, let's start. So, first, I have this, it's called QC Makeup Academy. Oh my God! So, ano kaya to? Whole set ng brush. Whole set ng brush. Yay! So, QC. Oh my God! Look at this! Whole set nga talaga siya. Kaya to. Oh my God! It's contour. So, ito yung pang contour. No. What's happening? Ayan. Oopsie. So, iyan siya. Highlighter palette. Ora na siya. So, ayan. Ito yung highlighter palette nila. Highlight palette. So, ayan siya. Of course, this is their thing. And that thing there. I'm getting started. Share your unboxing video and win a prize. Oh my God, look! Share your unboxing video and win a prize. We'd love to see your excitement as you unbox your, of course, your course and makeup. Oh my God, ang daming choices. Love, love, love the color. So much love it. So, ooh. I can see the lips that I'm wearing. It's really similar to this color. So let's see what it looks like on me later on. Definitely using all this stuff. It's a concealer. Oh my God, yes, yes. Alright. Looks like this. Dami pa, tsaka mga books. Oh, what's this? I don't know what's this. So, ayan, mga eyebrows palette. It was not just me. Hey, Lida. Yay, all the choices are there. And this one, whoa, look at that. I got this free eyelashes. Yes, yes, yes. And blush palette. Oh my God. They send us. Oh, wow. Look at this. Ang daming color to use. I think I'll show this one na. My favorite stuff, eyeshadow. Kasi, eyeshadow does really, no, is my really favorite of all. Yay! What is this? Daming choices rin na. Tsaka, it comes with brush here. So, yan po ang color choice niya. And yeah, this one is course guide. All the books and paperworks that I need for my course. Course guide pro makeup workshop. Yes, this course, it comes with my enrollment. So I will be doing this. This is a free one. Because I'm so lucky. It's called Pro Makeup Workshop by Nathan Johnson. What else? The other one? Pro makeup, same method. Pero maganda siya. And of course, it's Natang. Oh yes! Look at this. And what's this? She said, this professional makeup kit is thank for choosing QC. Blah 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 blah. Alright, this one course guide master makeup artistry. So that's actually my this one is actually my course here. So out as soon as I finish unboxing. Professional applications. Wow, ang ganda ng, oh my god, I love the way this. I love to touch it. It's so soft. It's amazing. Wow. Ang ganda sa ano, ang ganda sa skin. Promise. So this one, mga technique. Yep. And what else? Makeup foundation. Yes. Yep. All the contents. Starting your own business. Yay. Working with clients. Alright. Marketing and promotion. Yes, I definitely love this one. Because, yep. Because you know. Alright, that's it really. That's it really. Nothing here. I am so happy, definitely happy. Because at last, all my dreams will become true if I do it right. Yeah. So make sure that I'll make sure I will check everything after this video that I'm doing. Alright, so that's it really. So I hope you like this, and I will get you through. I will share everything I've learned once I've done all my reading mode. Yes, I need to, because yeah, it's very important. Also, when I do as well as my assignments, it's very important because I will get a grade score with that. So yeah, so I hope you will like it. If you're new on this channel, make sure to subscribe and thumbs up. Of course, hit the bell button, notify on my next video. So I hope ladies you will like it. Thank you very much and God bless. Bye.